Hi guys! So, andito ako ngayon sa SM kasi kakain ako ng breakfast. Natapos ng aking laboratory test for my creatinine. So, nandito ako sa SM para palipasin ko lang yung oras hanggang 2 o'clock kasi yan ang sinabi ng doktor na bumalik ako ng 2 o'clock for the result. Sana okay lang yung result. So, for now, kakain muna ako ng breakfast. Ayan, nandito tayo sa SM. Ano kaya? Wow! Very organized. So, this is my first time to come here. Very nice. Pero alam mo naman, marami akong bawal. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong bawal ang sa akin exactly. But the doctor said, just eat veggie and fish. So, I need to find fish. Wala akong brown rice today. So, I will eat white rice. So, mamimili ako. Ayan, Mr. Chicken. But Mr. Chicken got cornstarch. So, I'm not eating that. Sisig. This is the sisig. Hooray! So, what they have? Smoky bangus. Oh, okay. How much smoky bangus? Oh. How much your smoky bangus? Magkano yung smoky bangus nyo? Yung smoky bangus, magkano? Okay. Solo, right. Okay. Oh, here we are. And Salo Little Belly Kitchen. Alright. Tingin-tingin muna tayo ng ulam. Ayan. Oh, may gulay doon. Kaso lang, I'm not allowed to eat with bagoong. Wow. Sa lechon. No. If I can just eat, you know, bawal pa eh. Oh, this one, oh no, pork. Oh, bangus. Kaso lang, bawal man ako. Puro man baboy dito. So, I need to find more. This is Mr. Kimbab. Kimbab. So, pork again. Alright, kimjjigae. It means this is a Korean food. Barbecue samgyeopsal, spicy samgyeopsal. Alright. Okay, lechon togo. Lechon togo. Let's just lechon. Here we go.